Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Fiat 500 in a pop trim and powered by a 1.4-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency. Also coming with vent shades on the windows, which is always a nice accessory, and recently detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the trunk, which opens up nice and wide, giving you access to your reasonable trunk space, which can always be expanded by folding down your rear seats. Then looking into the back seat, where you do have seating for two, so you can bring along some friends or family, and they get their own cup holders there. And then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, do also have these nice cloth and sort of vinyl trim seats with a little design on them. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 13,434 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls, and on the left, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, which also continue on the back side of the steering wheel, as you can see. And then you have these buttons up here to cycle through your information displayed, such as your fuel economy. Can cycle through a bit of stuff there. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB capable, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. Is also a touch screen, so if that's how you want to navigate that, you can. Moving down from that, you have your hazards, your heated rear window, and your sport mode button. And then you have your climate controls here, pretty simple, easy to use. You have your window controls on either side, and one of the big things about this vehicle is the 5-speed manual transmission. So if that's your preferred way of driving, or if you're just looking for a vehicle to learn on, certainly an excellent choice. Moving down from that, you have your two front cup holders here, a 12-volt power outlet, as well as your auxiliary and USB, so you can plug something into power or charge, or hook up your audio there. Then you have your parking brake, of course, a little cubby here, and your driver's seat does have an armrest so that you can, put your arm down on something. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.